what's up everybody? It's Enrique from Wakio Screen Printing. I go by T-Shirt Boomin'. I also have a travel company called Travel X Saudade. And recently I've been posting a lot of travel content. But today this isn't a travel video, or I'm not promoting the travel company. It's more about the screen printing services. Not only are we a screen printing company, but we teach workforce development skills to young people, specifically Black and brown youth. And those young people become interns here at Wakio Screen Printing, where they get paid $15 to learn transferable workforce skills that can transfer to any other job that they might be interested in the future, as well as screen printing, marketing, and how to edit and create video. So the way we pay for the interns is through our screen printing service. So we take some of our profit that we gain from making orders for community members, nonprofits, businesses, different artists around the community, and we implement that back into our internship where we're able to pay these young people. So if you saw my last screen printing video, you saw that I taught somebody how to print their 2-color logo on a t-shirt. I went through all the steps and the processes of how to do that. So today we're not going to be screen printing on shirts or on hoodies or anything like that. We're going to be printing on something super unusual. We're going to be printing on water bottles. These are the water bottles that we're going to be printing on today. So we got these thermal flask water bottles. These are super cool. They're insulated, so you can put cold stuff and hot stuff in here. But a customer wanted me to print their logo on there. So I'm going to walk you through all the steps on how to do it. Check it out. Okay, so now that the screen is burned, the image is sized up correctly, the next step is to put the screen on the press, run a test print, and start printing on the water bottles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the press. Okay, so usually on the press, I would line it up this way, but since we're doing water bottles, I'm gonna load the screen backwards. I'm going to tighten it up and lift it up. So if you notice, it's backwards. This one is the right way. This one is the wrong way. But since we're going to be printing on water bottles, the inverted way is the right way. All right, so now that we got the screen ready, we're going to go ahead and print on one of the water bottles. So we all know how to pull and push our squeegee. So what I'm going to do is do that, but on the inside. So it's a little bit more challenging, but it's pretty much the same concept. Now that the screen is flooded, the next step is to print the water bottles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up where I want it to be, set it up, and then roll the image on. So that's how you print on water bottles. Place it onto the screen and then roll it back over. So check it out. This is the front. I got to print on the backs. So what I'm going to do is line it up to the front, slide it over, and then roll the image on. I'm going to place them on a sweater just so they don't roll around, and then I'm going to pass them to the conveyor dryer. Alright, so now that the water bottles are printed, they're put back in the packages. The next step is just to deliver to the customer. This was a awesome order. Usually we print on t-shirts, hoodies, and things like that. So this was quite a challenge. I'm always ready to take on a challenge and print something new. I hope this video was informative, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, please like and subscribe to the channel.